This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Business Profile and sign in with your Google account. Use a primary account that you manage for long-term access. Enter your exact business name and choose the correct category. Choose the most specific category for search relevance and customer accuracy. Provide a precise business address or select service area business if needed. If you work from home, set a service area instead of a public address. Confirm your contact phone number and website URL before continuing. Verify your listing by postcard or phone within 14 days to claim ownership. Follow the verification steps exactly when you receive your unique PIN code. Add 3 to 10 high-quality photos showing interior, exterior, and team for trust. Use landscape and square images and keep them under 10 MB each. Write a clear description of 150 to 300 characters, including services and location details. Include primary keywords naturally, and avoid keyword stuffing or repetitive phrases. Respond to reviews within 48 to 72 hours to build trust with customers. Thank positive reviewers and address negatives professionally and with solutions. Use Google Posts weekly to share offers, events, and updates and keep your profile active. Add call-to-action buttons like book, order, or learn more for conversions. Monitor insights weekly for views, searches, and customer actions, and track what helps growth. Update hours, photos, and services seasonally to maintain accuracy and improved search rank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.